Listen to me because this is about your time, your money, and quite frankly, your freedom. You are at a stage in your life where every minute you spend wrestling with a computer screen is a minute you aren't spending with your grandkids, or traveling, or finally enjoying the peace you have worked 40 years to earn. You've built a business, maybe it's plumbing, maybe it's landscaping or cleaning, and you've done it with your own two hands. But now you're looking at these two names, QuickBooks and HouseCall Pro, and you're asking yourself, Susie, which one do I need so I can stop working so hard and start living? Now, I want you to look me in the eye. You are afraid of making a mistake. You're afraid of buying software that is too complicated, or worse, buying something that doesn't actually solve the chaos in your office. You're worried about double entry. That dirty word that means you're doing the same work twice because your systems don't talk to each other. I am here to tell you that these two things are not the same. They are not competitors. They are partners. But if you don't understand the difference, you are going to waste money, and you know how I feel about wasting money. Let's start with QuickBooks. QuickBooks is the heart of your financial life. It is accounting software. Its job is to tell you the truth about your money. Do you have a profit? Do you have a loss? Are your taxes being tracked correctly so the IRS doesn't come knocking on your door when you're trying to enjoy your retirement? That is QuickBooks. It tracks every penny. It handles your payroll, and it makes your accountant happy. But listen to me. QuickBooks was not built to help you find a customer's house. It was not built to send a running late text to a client. It was not built to manage a crew of 3 guys in 3 different trucks. If you try to make QuickBooks do those things, you are going to be frustrated, you are going to be stressed, and you are going to be broke in spirit. Then we have HouseCall Pro. This is what we call field service management. If QuickBooks is the heart of the money, HouseCall Pro is the hands and feet of the business. This is the tool that lives on your smartphone. It's for the scheduling, the dispatching, the on my way texts, and the professional-looking estimates you show a customer on a tablet while you're standing in their driveway. It's designed to make you look like $1 million even if you're just a one-man show. It's about the experience your customer has from the moment they book you until the moment they pay you. Do you see the difference? One manages the numbers and the other manages the jobs. Now, here is where the fear creeps in. You think, Susie, I don't want to learn 2 systems. I'm retiring soon. I want simplicity. I hear you. But true simplicity comes from having the right tool for the right job. You wouldn't use a hammer to turn a screw, would you? Of course not. The beauty of these two is that they talk to each other. When you finish a job in HouseCall Pro and the customer pays you, boom. That information flows right into QuickBooks. No double entry. No staying up until 11 p.m. at your kitchen table trying to remember who paid you what and which invoice belongs to which customer. That is how you protect your time. So what is the actionable takeaway here? Because I never want you to just listen. I want you to do. First, I want you to look at your current office situation. If you are still using a paper calendar or a whiteboard to track your jobs, and then manually typing those into QuickBooks later, you are robbing yourself of your own retirement. You are working for your business instead of your business working for you. Second, you need to decide where your pain is. If your pain is that you don't know where your money is going, you start with QuickBooks. You get your books in order. You find a pro to help you set it up so it's clean. But if your pain is that your phone won't stop ringing, you're losing track of appointments, and you're tired of writing paper receipts, then HouseCall Pro is your first phone call. If you are 5 years away from hanging up the tool belt, your goal should be systemization. Why? Because a business with systems like HouseCall Pro and QuickBooks is a business you can sell. If everything is in your head, your business is worth 0 when you leave. But if your business is a well-oiled machine where the scheduling is automated and the books are crystal clear, that is an asset. That is a legacy you can sell to a younger pro or pass down to your kids. Don't let the technology scare you. These tools were made to give you your life back. QuickBooks handles the what happened with the money, and HouseCall Pro handles the what is happening today with the customer. You have worked too hard for too long to be a slave to paperwork in your golden years. Choose the right tools. Automate the boring stuff. Stand in your power and take control of your time. Because if you don't, who will? You can do this. I know you can. Now go out there and make it happen.